Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to select and purchase a product within My CI Hub. Whether you're looking to expand your team's capabilities or explore new integrations, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. After logging in, you'll land on your My Subscriptions page. Here you can view and manage all your active licenses. If you want to purchase a new license, it's easy. Simply click on the Buy button. This will take you to our product selection page. Here you can choose the license that best fits your needs from a variety of options. For this example, let's select the CI Hub connector for Adobe Creative Cloud, perfect for graphic designers. Once you've chosen the license you need, click on Continue. You'll now be directed to your cart page. On this page, you can adjust the quantity. If you need more than one license, simply change the number to match your requirements. In this field, we recommend typing a custom text. This helps you differentiate between invoices, especially if you're purchasing multiple licenses for different teams or purposes. For example, let's type Order 1, or we can be more specific and type CI Hub Connector, Adobe Graphic Design Team. This brief description will appear on your invoice, making it easy to identify the license and its intended use within your company. When you're ready, click Continue to proceed to the billing section. Now it's time to enter your billing information. On the billing information page, please fill in your company details and the invoice recipient's information. Make sure all of the information is accurate to ensure your invoice reaches the right person without any delays. Once you've finished filling in all the required fields, click on Continue. Next, select your preferred payment method. Enter your credit card information carefully, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. After entering your payment details, click on Continue. On the confirmation page, take a moment to review your order. Double-check your billing information. The products you've selected, the quantity, and the custom invoice text you added earlier. If you notice any mistakes or need to make changes, you can click on the Previous Step button to go back and make adjustments. When everything looks correct, click on Confirm to finalize your purchase. Congratulations on your new subscription. Your licenses are now ready to use, and we're confident they'll help boost your productivity. And that's it. Buying a license on My CI Hub is quick and simple. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team. We're always here to help make your flow work.